Watch a beautiful peacock dance and sing in a magical forest. Join the colorful peacock as it dances gracefully to the beat of nature's song. An adorable peacock with vibrant feathers sings and dances in the bright sunshine. Enjoy the peacock's stunning dance moves and sweet melody in this kid's video. Get ready to see a peacock show off its amazing dancing skills and colorful feathers. Come watch the peacock sing and dance under the sparkling stars. A cheerful peacock invites you to join its colorful dance and song in this fun video. This peacock's dance is as colorful as a rainbow, and its song will make you smile. Discover the magical world of a peacock dancing and singing in the lively jungle. Watch as the peacock spreads its stunning feathers while dancing and singing a beautiful tune. Let's dance with the peacock and enjoy its bright colors and joyful melody. An energetic peacock is ready to show you its best dance moves and sing you a happy song. Follow the peacock's journey as it dances and sings in the colorful field. A magical peacock performs an incredible dance and sings a lovely tune just for you. This adorable peacock dances to the rhythm of the forest and sings a joyful song. Cheer on the peacock as it sings and dances with its fabulous rainbow-colored feathers. See the peacock sing a special song while showing off its amazing colorful feathers. The peacock is ready to entertain you with its joyful dance and beautiful song. A fun-filled video where a peacock dances and sings with all the colors of the rainbow. Watch the peacock's colorful feathers twirl and swirl as it dances and sings with joy. Join the peacock's spectacular dance and song, full of vibrant colors and fun. Let's celebrate with the peacock as it dances and sings under the bright blue sky. This peacock is the star of the show, dancing and singing with all its colorful glory. Sing along with the peacock and dance to its cheerful tunes in this colorful video. A lively peacock shows off its rainbow-colored feathers while dancing and singing happily. A dancing peacock with colorful feathers sings a delightful melody for all the kids. The peacock dances and sings like no other, with feathers as bright as a rainbow. An enchanting peacock sings a song and dances gracefully with beautiful, bright feathers. See the magical peacock perform an amazing dance and sing its beautiful melody. A colorful peacock shows off